That was fun. Alright, no cars. I haven't done the rod bearing, so I'm still a little scared. I didn't want to make this video right away, but the car sounds too good. Like it'll be fine. Like as long as I don't rev it too high up, you guys can still hear the super nice V8 sound. I think we're gonna have a fun video. Ooh, is that a Corvette? Like we want to race or what? Oh shit, missed the gear right there. Guess I'll go this way. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going. Where to? That way?
I lost you guys over there. I didn't know where you guys went. I was like, fuck, where'd they go?
Missed the gear. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go somewhere where there's less rocks, that way Axel doesn't kill me. That fool destroyed that 32. No, I'm just kidding.
Let's see, look, all the way up. There's some more curves and shit. And
oh yeah, all of that is curves.
All this is curves.
Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content, and hopefully the GoPro like doesn't let me down. Like it's actually recording and the sound isn't too bad. I'm gonna put you guys. I'm gonna set you guys down now. I think Alex is gonna take a piss break.
Yeah.
Just jump in the lake. Oh.
Hey, I say I leave my car here and we go hit the hills up there.
This fool.
My car can't make it.
Well, I mean, if you want to.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll be back for it. Eventually.
They rob it. How's the hills with this car? Feels good or what?
Yeah, it's cool. I'm just getting scared to rev it all the way up.
Cause you're gonna slide?
No, because I don't want the straw bearings to blow.
Oh, so you're not even pushing it yet?
I pushed it a little bit, but not like that much. Hopefully there's no cars right here. I lost my phone. Did you really? Gear. I threw it into first. Dude, I lost my phone again. Yeah, do you see it? Thank you. I'm gonna put my phone over here. Where's Alex at? I haven't heard his car in a while.
Alex left him. You think Alex is hella scared to take the corner or he crashed already?
On the slippy thing?
Yeah. He's like, I can take it. Oh no, he's right there. Okay.
Got up.
Oh, there's a boat down there. Oh, I thought you could just see like boats going down.
Kill that turkey.
Turkey dinner, bro. Where'd you go? Did those things fly? Because the knees just jumped down. I don't know if that thing can fly.
I don't know, I'm gonna Google that shit.
Can they fly? Like, no, but they can glide.
That fool died then. He just jumped.
He did. He's like, I'm out.
I can't tell if she's taking a picture of us or she's taking a picture of over there.
See hella guns behind you taking pictures of the license plate? Oh, no, it's a he.
Yeah, all of this is good in second gear, but I just don't want to keep it in second gear. Driver. Oh, what the fuck?
Where is the first you want it from? Where is the first?
I'm gonna try drifting.
This is 30, we're going like fucking 80.
I'm gonna cut this out. Oh. This car's starting to heat up.
Is it really?
Yeah. So we pulled over. I think that's enough for the POV video. Yeah, the car, like I've been pushing it for a cool ass like an hour maybe. And yeah, I definitely don't want like anything bad to happen with it. We literally just got it. So I told Patrick, I'm all like, bro, let's stop it for a little bit. Let's let the car cool down, or cars, and then we'll start back up again. Probably not that aggressive. I think I have enough video for you guys right now, but don't worry guys, once we get these rod bearings, I'm gonna be slamming on it, because then I'll feel a little bit more confident, because like second gear is perfect for all these curves, especially getting out of them and stuff like that. But I would shift to third and shift back to second, so I'll be jumping from second and third all the time versus just second all the time and just slamming on the curves, which either way it's still super fun. Like this is its natural habitat. Like the M3 lives here, like it revs super high. The second gear is perfect for all these curves. It just sounds so good. It's perfect. But did you hear me like when you, because you were far back, like what, maybe 5-6 cars, like you were just in the back? Can you hear me from there?
Yeah. I was just didn't fucking go. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, where is he?
That's what I was telling Patrick. I like how it's like calm for a little bit, like when you want it to calm, and then when you step on it, like it gets stupid loud. Did you say jump?